everyone, welcome back to Careers 360. So today I'm going to be speaking of the IIT ISM Dhanbad Institute, but not from the engineering point of view. I'll be covering the management point of view, which is where I'll be speaking of the Department of Management Studies and Industrial Engineering. The institute was established in 1977, and by institute I mean the Department of Management Studies. Back when it used to offer MTech in Industrial Engineering and Management. In 1997, they launched their first MBA program, which was your general MBA. In 2020, they launched their MBA in Business Analytics. This is a department, the NIRF ranking of which under the management domain is 46. We at Careers 360 have ranked this as 25th public institute. The total student count here for the 2-year MBA program is 141 students, and the faculty count here is 18. So now the data that you see in this video has been sourced from NIRF reports, which is under the Government of India. The sanctioned approved intake for the 2-year MBA program here in the last season was 92. The actual strength of the students here was 141. And the placement and higher studies data is what is more interesting. 68 students have been graduated from the institute and 60 of them got placed at a median salary of 11,30,000. For a better comparison, we have compared the 3 years placement data for IIT Dhanbad under the management sector, right? So last year, 75 students got admitted into this institute, out of which 68 graduated and 60 of them got placed. The placement percentage here became 88.24% last year, and the median salary was 11,30,000. So you can say that the median salary is increasing year on year. Earlier it was 6,10,000 in 22 to 21, then it became 9 lakh in 21 to 22, and finally at 11,30,000. The placement percentage is also at a steady rise. What was earlier 73.68 became 89.80 and now at 88.24. So obviously the median salary is also set to rise with more companies coming here and with more packages that they bring with themselves. So here you can see the degree-wise placement statistics of IIT Dhanbad. Overall, the institute placement was 72.76% and the MBA placements were 69.12%. If we were to divide this into the disciplines, we would see that MBA Business Analytics saw a major chunk of placements at 70.83%, and the General MBA saw 68.18% of the placements. The scope of this video is not just limited to what the NIRF reports say or what the institute claims, but what LinkedIn also says. And why LinkedIn? Because here you can see that the alumni themselves put out their stories. So on LinkedIn, we found 33,720 alumni of IIT Dhanbad. Now, of course, it was very difficult to sort them into MBA or MTech or engineering, BTech, all of those, which is why you can see that we have just compiled the companies here and how many of them have worked here, currently employed and previously employed. So in Amazon, you have 665 IIT Dhanbad alumni that have worked here at some point of time. 235 are currently working here. In Microsoft, you have 585 IIT Dhanbad alumni that have worked there, and 244 are currently working there. Even in IBM, you see 334 of them who have worked at some point of time, and 65 are currently employed there. Now on this slide, you'll see Goldman Sachs, which is known for hiring MBA recruits, and Morgan Stanley, which is also known for MBA recruitment, right? Both of them have hired about 240 of the IIT Dhanbad alumni that have worked there at some point of time, and 85 are still working there. Even at Morgan Stanley, you have 87 that have worked there at some point of time, and 24 are currently working there. You can see in Meta, you have 35 IIT Dhanbad alumni that have worked there at some point of time, and 19 of them are still working there. So obviously they have an impact and reputation in all these top companies. Next up, we have the alumni location distribution. So you see that 10.40% are living outside India and 89.60% are living in India. Even under this, you can see 17.87% of the IIT Dhanbad alumni are stationed in Jharkhand. In Delhi, 8.26% are living there. In Bangalore, the IT hub, 8.21%. In Maharashtra, you have 7.26%. In Telangana, 5.04%. Haryana, 3.58%. Even in the United States, the IIT Dhanbad alumni is 4.53%. So you can see how IIT Dhanbad alumni have a global reach and now are stationed all across metro cities and all across the globe, right? So now we understand why IIT Dhanbad should be one of your top choices for MBA, because you get better placement opportunities here. You have an alumni network which is spread across the globe, very nice companies that are bringing in packages and opportunities for you, and also 2 types of MBAs, for business analytics and for general management. If you have any doubts regarding the admission process at IIT Dhanbad, please feel free to comment down below and we'll get back to you with the answers. Subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you.